Okay, my first resource would be National Geographic for Kids. This site has so much to offer for many different topics and subject areas. I have used this and plan to continue using it with my kindergartners. It is a fun and interesting source to show them how to begin the research process. Um, it is a site that they can use at school, but they can also go home and do more research with parents or siblings or anyone outside of school. There are videos, there's games, there's animals, there's a place you can find different types of resources or real books, and you can subscribe to their magazine. I use it in my classroom mostly for the animal part, but we've searched different things that have to do with social studies, and there's even a section you can read books on different types of animals. Um, it's got the real pictures, so that helps your students understand that it's actual real life animals, like they're not made up, and pictures somebody maybe created. There's, I mean, any kind of information of any kind of animal or scientific topic is on here. There's also stuff on like the states and just everything around the world. Um, and there's just a lot of information on it, and it's really cool. A part that my kids really like um, is weird but true facts. And my kids think it is so funny because there are some really weird but true things that you would never know. But I find it to be a really beneficial website for kids just because it helps them explore and see things that maybe they don't see every day and gets them out of their little boxes and helps them understand the world a little better, but in different ways. So I'll show you some weird but true facts that we find interesting in my classroom. Like this one, the skin of a golden poison dart frog contains enough toxins to kill up to 100 people. Like my kids would probably read that and be like, "Oh my goodness, like I don't want to touch a frog again." But there's just so many different, I mean, there's facts about the planets that maybe you never knew. There's some really cool videos. I know that my Screencast-O-Matic won't let the videos play because you have to get the upgraded version of Screencast-O-Matic to get a, I don't know why, but um, so yeah, and I think I find National Geographic is interesting anyways, but to allow our students to explore the different things that are out there and the resources and knowing this is a credible resource for them to start learning how to research different topics, whether it's an animal or a state or the earth. Um, it just is really helpful for them and lets them see that they can do just about anything and they can search anything, and the site is going to be safe for them to look around. Like they're not going to bump into um, things that maybe they shouldn't be looking at. Um, so I really like this site and I will continue to use it in my classroom.